It's not a taste test, okay? This is just for us to have a lunch together because baby's hungry. I am baby though. I am hungry and it's lunchtime. I'm super hungry. Why is this camera so high? I'm super hungry and Redefine Meat has a lamb style vegan lamb. So we're gonna make it. Oh my god, I'm so lightheaded at the moment. I should have eaten something way sooner. So now I'm just gonna chop a third of this and I will air fry it. Don't forget to preheat your air fryer, my people. It's just add another 5 minutes to your cooking time, but it does make a difference. And this is hot. This is what this looks like. It smells good. I don't know if it smells like lamb. I think I've never had lamb, or if I ever did, it was ages ago. So I don't really know, but one is enough because I'm just gonna make one doner. I'm having a hearty lunch. I need to go and trying to see if I can find hiking shoes because mine are hurting me on the back and I have them for like 3 years and they are starting to not be on optimal state. So for my topics for the dinner, I'm gonna have the cucumber from my garden, 1 tomato, 1 avocado, a lot of coriander, and lettuce. I'm just gonna chop them really small. For the sauce, I'm just gonna use vegan mayo because I'm a boring person. And for the wraps, we have here whole wheat wraps. I just got the whole wheat just to be healthier. It's okay. Just enjoy your doner, your tortilla, your whatever in peace. Not everything is supposed to be diet. Okay. Exciting. Look at my cucumber. I did a big one with my cucumbers. I'm chopping everything into smaller pieces and then it's just easier to eat. Bite size. Lunchtime doesn't need to be boring, but also you don't need to do much. Optimally, I would have leftovers, but we are now in this weird phase where Matt is eating 500 grams of pasta, 700 grams of tofu per dinner, so I don't know, maybe a second growth spurt or something, I don't know. So, and today he also took some food to the office because he tries to have a vegan diet or stretching like a vegetarian, but the options are not so great all the time, so then he has better at home. He can just have the food at home. So I don't have much hope in this avocado. I was right. I guess they were on sale for a reason. It's gonna be a long day. It's a sad day on earth. Let's assemble our wrap. Our meat is set. That's how it looks like. You see? This is what the meat, the supposed lamb looks like. I already had it previously, so I know that I like the flavor. And it's just, it's not a taste test, okay? This is just for us to have a lunch together because baby's hungry. I am baby though. I am hungry and it's about time I eat something because I'm feeling quite low in energy because my breakfast was quite poor. I haven't done cake this week, or even today I didn't do my waffles because we are supposed to be traveling for the upcoming holiday. So on the 1st of August will be Swiss Day. So then I and Matt will go for a small trip. So this is what it looks like. My wrapping skills are not the best, but it's just for me. Let us try. Nice meat. I have nothing bad to say. Although I couldn't tell you if it tastes like lamb or not, because as I already said, or either I've never had lamb in my life, or it's been so long I couldn't even tell you. There's a lot of lettuce. I see you tomorrow for lunch.